trying to take some shots from a seated position today, and had to make a few adjustments. My zero is off this morning, so we'll see how it does. Yesterday I was below 1 inch, actually below a ½ inch with 10 groups. I'm going to try to shoot 4 groups from a seated position and see what we get. Whew. It's no easy task. Ditching seated, going back to prone. Out of this kit after today's shooting is my D-primer. I use that. My D-primer is pretty rough. I've tried to D-prime some crimped rounds, which didn't go well, but it's a tool like this, and if I can show you, what I do is take my, as you can see, the round, I place it in there, put my D-primer in there, take the soft end of my mallet, that D-primes my round. My shell is then ready. I can clean that primer and I can measure and cut that case with a simple $10 hand setup from Lee. Here I have my primer tool and my case round. I take the case, I load it in to the shell. Hey Alden, I'll be right out, okay buddy? Okay Alden, I'll be right out. I load it into the case, but got to go swimming with my family. Wanted to show you all this real quick. Got my primers that I showed y'all earlier, my small rifle primers.
Cold.
Load those into my little, it's like a little pipe looking thing with the smooth side down. My case has been neck sized in here. I make sure it's flush there. So shot 3 groups prone and 3 groups seated. There is a massive difference. I have, that would be a prone group, would also be a prone group, and that one too, looking about 1 inch or so. That is a seated group, as is that one, which is a little better. And then that's a 2-shot group that I adjusted my scope to. Anyways, fun day, March 3rd, 2019. Yeah, at the range in Alpine. Thanks again for watching, guys. Precision Rifle Junkies. We appreciate y'all watching, and we can't wait to put up more videos for y'all. Leave any comments or suggestions. I am completely open to feedback, as I am a new beginner to all of this. And yeah, hope everybody's having a good day.